Hello everyone, hope you all doing well and welcome back to our Windows Server 2022 Beginners video series on MSFT webcast. Let's start the VM where we want to install Windows 11 using WDS. Let's press Enter key for network boot service. We can see the PXE client is loading boot.vim file from our WDS server with the IP address 172.18.72.51. Wait while the installation environment is loading. When we try to install Windows 11 using the old WDS method, it gives you an error that WDS client functionality is partly deprecated. You won't be able to install Windows 11 with only WDS. You have to use Microsoft Deployment Toolkit in order to deploy Windows 11 successfully. So normally, we are not able to install Windows 11 using only WDS. But that is a simple fix. If you don't want to install and configure MDT and ADK for one or two Windows 11 deployment, you can use this trick. Let's see that. To fix this error, we just need to replace the Windows 11 boot.vim file with Windows 10 boot.vim file and then start the installation again. Let's see that in action. Let's go back to our domain controller VM. First, we have to mount the Windows 10 ISO image. We have mounted the Windows 10 ISO image to this domain controller. Right-click on Boot Images and select Add Boot Image. Click on Browse. Go to D drive, which is our DVD drive, and then we just have to select boot.vim file. Click Open and click Next. Specify a meaningful image name and description for this boot image so we can easily identify this image. Remember, this is a Windows 10 boot image. Click Next. Again click Next and wait for the process to complete. Click on Finish. Now at this point we have two boot images, one for Windows 10 and one for Windows 11. If you want, you can disable the Windows 11 boot image from here, but that we are not going to do. Let's go back to our Windows 11 VM. Okay, now I'm going to click on Reboot. The VM will again boot using the network boot option. Press Enter key for network boot service. From the boot image list, this time select Windows 10 boot image and hit Enter key. On Windows Deployment Services, select Installation Language and Keyboard and Input Method. Simply click Next to continue. Enter the credentials of an account authorized to connect to the WDS server. Let me enter administrator at msftwebcast.com and then enter administrator's password and click OK. Select the Windows 11 installation image and click Next. Click Next again. The Windows 11 installation is started successfully. The installation process will take some time to complete. During the installation process, computer will restart several times automatically. After the installation is finished, we will be asked to finish with some generalized settings. So let's wait for the installation process to complete. Let me quickly finish the generalized settings. Finally, we have reached on desktop of newly installed Windows 11 operating system. This means we have successfully deployed a Windows 11 operating system using Windows Deployment Services. Using this simple fix, we can easily deploy a Windows 11 operating system using Windows Deployment Services. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding this video, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.